You've heard the headlines, AI is taking jobs. But what they're not saying is, AI is creating more ways to make money than ever before. In the next 8 minutes, I'm not just going to tell you, AI can help you earn. I'll break down exactly how. No jargon, no vague tips, just actionable systems that anyone, even if you're not tech savvy, can start using this week. Let's dive in. First, let's get this straight. AI isn't Get-Rich Quick tool. It's a productivity multiplier. Think of it like a supercharged assistant that works 24/7, doesn't ask for a salary, and can do 10x the work of a human in a tenth the time. The key here is leveraging AI to solve problems people are already paying for. The market doesn't care if you use AI or not, they care if you fix their pain. And right now, AI lets you solve those problems faster, cheaper, and at a scale that was impossible 5 years ago. For example, a freelance writer used to charge $500 for a blog post, taking 8 hours. With AI, they can research, draft, and edit 3 posts in the same time, tripling their income without working more. That's the power we're talking about. Content is still king, but AI is the new kingmaker. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or video editor. AI handles the heavy lifting. And you add the man touch that makes it stand out. Here's how. Pick a niche you care about: fitness, personal, finance, pet care, anything. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm 100 video or post ideas. For each, ask the AI to draft a script or caption. Then, use Canva's AI to generate visuals into minutes. For videos, Runway can turn text into short clips, or you can voice over the script and add stock footage. Monetization? YouTube pays for ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Instagram or Pinterest lets you promote affiliate products. For example, if you post about best dog toys, link to Amazon and earn a cut. The key is consistency. AI lets you post daily without burning out. Pro tip: don't let AI write everything. Add your own stories, opinions, or unique insights. That's what makes people follow you, not just the content. Businesses of all sizes are drowning in repetitive tasks, and they'll pay you to take those tasks off their plates. AI lets you offer these services without being an expert. Take resume writing. Most people struggle to highlight their skills. You can use AI tools like ResumeWorded to scan a resume, identify gaps, and rewrite bullet points to match job descriptions. You charge $100 per resume, and AI does 80% of the work. Or social media management. Small businesses don't have time to post daily. Use ChatGPT to write 30 days of captions, Canva to design posts, and tools like Hootsuite to schedule them. Charge $500 $1K per month per client and manage 5+ clients with AI doing the bulk of the work. The secret? Position yourself as the AI plus human hybrid. Clients pay for the results: a better resume, more engagement, not the tool. You're the one guaranteeing quality, even if AI does the first draft. Here's a little-known strategy. Most people don't know how to use AI tools effectively. You can act as the translator, taking free or cheap AI tools, packaging their output into something easy to use, and selling it. For example, Midjourney generates amazing images, but most people don't know how to write good prompts. You can offer custom AI art packages on Fiverr. Clients tell you what they want. You craft the perfect prompt, generate 5 options, and charge $50. It takes you 10 minutes per order. Or automation. Use tools like Zapier or Make to connect AI apps. For instance, build a system where ChatGPT summarizes news articles in your niche, then sends them to a WhatsApp group of subscribers. Charges $10 per month per subscriber. Once set up, it runs on autopilot. key is to solve the AI learning curve problem. People will pay to skip the hassle of figuring out tools themselves. Before you jump in, let's avoid the mistakes that derail 90% of people. First, don't let AI do 100% of the work. I've seen people sell AI-written ebooks with zero editing, full of errors, and customers asking for refunds. AI is a drafting tool. You need to fact-check, add personality, and ensure quality. Second, watch copyright. Some AI tools train on copyrighted material, which can get you in trouble. Always check if the tool lets you commercialize outputs. Midjourney, ChatGPT Plus do. Some free tools don't. For text, run it through Copyscape to avoid plagiarism. Third, stop chasing new tools. There's a new AI app every day, but mastering 2-3 tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Zapier is better than dabbling in 20. Pick one path, stick with it for 3 months, and iterate. Consistency beats novelty. Enough theory, let's get you moving. Here's exactly what to do in the next 7 days. Day 1. Choose one niche. It should be something people spend money on: health, wealth, hobbies, and something you can talk about without getting bored. Day 2. Test two tools. For content, ChatGPT plus Canva. For services, ChatGPT plus a niche tool, for example, Resume Worded for resumes. Spend 1 hour playing with them, you'll be surprised how fast you learn. Day 3. Create one sample. If it's content, a 60-second script plus one graphic. If it's a service, a fake resume rewrite or social media post. Day 4-7. Put it out there. Post the content on Instagram or YouTube. List the services on Fiverr with a low starting price, $10 to get your first review. The goal isn't to make money in 7 days, it's to prove to yourself that this works. Once you see that first positive response, you'll gain the momentum to scale. AI isn't the future of making money, it's the present. The difference between those who profit from it and those who don't is simple: action. You don't need a degree, a big budget, or tech skills. You need to start small, learn as you go, and trust that AI will handle the parts that used to hold you back. So, which path are you picking? Drop a 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. I'll reply with specific resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. Next week, we're diving into how to scale an AI side hustle to 10K month. See you then.